The Earth didn't just break, it vanished, swallowing the rig whole.
To stop the poison gas from spreading, engineers made a choice. They lit a match.
They thought it would burn out in weeks. They were wrong.
The heat is so intense it creates its own weather system, a constant, scorching wind.
It consumes thousands of cubic meters of gas every hour. A literal leak in the planet.
From space, it is a puncture wound of light in a sea of black.
It consumes thousands of cubic meters of gas every hour. A literal leak in the planet.
It is so intense it creates its own weather system. A constant, scorching wind.
They thought it would burn out in weeks. They were wrong.
From the puncture wound of light in a sea of black.
Golden beacon under a desert moon.
But some fires are not made by man. They are forged in the friction of the Earth's breath. But nature has no answer for this. It is a man-made sun that refuses to set. Inside this plume, 1 billion particles of glass and ice collide, creating a massive static charge.
Volcanic lightning, nature's most violent light show. It is the sound of the sky and the earth, screaming at once.
Now, we travel from the height of the fire to the silence of the absolute zero.
The Brinacle, a finger of super salty sub-zero brine sinking through the sea. As it touches the floor, the water freezes on contact, weaving a...
It is a bringer of death. Anything it touches freezes instantly.
Rare examples. An icy web that claims the seafloor in a matter of hours.
From the fires of the desert to the ice of the deep, these are the rare ghosts of our planet.
Our world is a theater of extremes. A balance of light and shadow. Impossible.